Walking for health and walking for fat loss are not the same thing. Your body only changes when it's given a reason to adapt, and most daily walks never create that reason. If you're walking every day, getting your steps in and trying to do everything right, but your belly fat is not changing, then there's one subtle thing happening during your walk, and that's quietly cancelling out your results. And almost nobody talks about it. So before you assume it's your age or your hormones or your metabolism, watch this video till the end. Walking feels productive. It's low impact, sustainable, and easily fits into your real life. And that's why so many women rely on it. But here's the disconnect. Before you blame your metabolism, look at the pace of your walk. Most daily walks stay here, comfortable, predictable, and steady. You can talk easily, your breathing barely changes, your efforts feels the same from start to finish. And here's the problem. When effort stays flat, your body becomes efficient. And efficient means using less energy to do the same activity. That's great for survival, but terrible for fat loss. And even if you fix that, there's something even more overlooked, and that is your posture. Most people walk slightly slouched. Their core is relaxed, their hips shifting loosely. It feels natural, but it keeps your abdominal muscles almost completely inactive. You're moving but not engaging the area you want to change. And here's what most women don't realize. A completely relaxed core during walking turns it into a passive movement, not a metabolic walk. But even posture is not the biggest issue. This next part is what actually determines whether your body taps into stored fat or not. And that is hormones. Fat loss is hormonal. It's driven by signals. When your walk feels easy the entire time, your body treats it as maintenance. And maintenance keeps you healthy. But it doesn't necessarily burn stored fat. To create change, your body needs short movements of increased demand. Not exhaustion, just a reason to respond. And now I'll show you how to turn a normal 20-minute walk into something that actually triggers that signal. And the best part is without walking longer. So here's the first step. Instead of walking at one speed for 30 minutes, try this. Walk normally for 2 minutes, then briskly for 30 seconds. Not sprinting, just fast enough that talking becomes slightly harder. That small spike does something important. It disrupts efficiency, it raises heart rate, and tells your body, adapt. This alone changes how your body responds. But if you stop here, you're leaving results on the table. Now here's the subtle adjustment that most people skip. As you walk, lift your chest slightly up. Relax your shoulders down and gently brace your core about 15 to 20%. Not sucking in, just intentional engagement. This activates deeper stabilizing muscles that normally stay asleep during casual walking. And more muscle activation means more energy demand. But there's one mistake people make here. They overtense most of the time. Don't do that, stay tall, not rigid. Now this final shift looks small, but it increases output instantly. Lengthen your stride slightly. Push through your back leg. Feel your glutes engage. When larger muscles participate, your calorie burn increases naturally. Not dramatically, but consistently. And consistency is what reshapes your body. Remember, you don't need more steps. You don't need extreme workouts. You just need intention inside the steps you're already taking. Walking works, but only when your body has a reason to respond to it. Try these 3 adjustments for 14 days before increasing your step count. You'll notice something interesting before the scale even changes. Your walk will feel different, stronger, and more purposeful. And that's when your body starts changing with it. And if you're serious about your weight loss, then watch my other videos that must be popping up on your screen. Click on it and see you in the next video.